Hello. Today we will discuss about how to install OpenFOAM. OpenFOAM will be only installed in Windows 10. So we will go for steps. First we will go for control panel, then programs. We will click it program and then turn window feature on or off. We will click it. It will open up dialog box. We will find out Windows subsystem for Linux and we will click it on. After that we will follow the restart procedure. After restart the PC, we will go for this Windows App Store, here Microsoft Store, and we will find out Ubuntu software for Linux system. Just search it, Ubuntu 18.0.4. We install it. It will just launch it. It will show that installing this may take few times. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to install Ubuntu in your system. After installing Ubuntu, it will write it your Unix username. I will write as my username, and my user ID password. I will write my password and rewrite my password. So here you can see that I had installed my system. I had installed Ubuntu software in my system. Now I will go for OpenFOAM software installation. So just I will go for openfoam.com and then I will download Windows 10 native WS. Just this is same thing we had gone for. This is starting bash Ubuntu, and we will install this. Click here on the link OpenFOAM version 2012 Windows 10 TRG. Now we will download it. It will start download. I had already downloaded. So first I will go for write explorer.exe. space dot. It will open our this Ubuntu location. Now I will go for my download section and I will copy this OpenFOAM version in this location. So file is already there in Ubuntu folder. Now I will follow this step only. First I will this sudo dos xvf. Just I will go for little bit change. I will just write xf and then this form openfoam.t. It will enter this file into this hurry folder. Just click enter. Password. It will enter our OpenFOAM version 2012 in hurry folder. Okay. Now it is enter it OpenFOAM version 2012. Now we will go for bash rc. This is most important topic in this installation. So here you have very careful with this command. So first we will do this nano.bash rc. It will open our nano.bash rc file, and now at the bottom of this bash rc file we just insert this command source underscore openform this path, and now we'll just save it. Control O, overwrite, just enter file name to write .bashrc, enter, and Control X. Now if you write simple form minus help, here you can see that our command simple form not found, but it can be installed with sudo.apt install openform. Here you find this error, but it is not error because we had just install our .bashrc file. You have to just open different Ubuntu, and there you just write simple form minus help. It will show install simple form minus help. Here you can see that our openform is installed. If you close all the Ubuntu, again open it, just write block.blockmesh for meshing our command. It will show your command is working. Just wait, block mesh. Here you can see that our openform is already installed, but no mesh file is block mesh file is there, so it is showing error, but it is installed. So by this way you can install a openform in within few minutes. Thank you guys.